Welcome to the Technology Services Microsoft Teams Scheduling Assistant Guide. To use the Teams Scheduling Assistant, press into the Calendar tab on the left-hand side. From here, you can see your calendar. To use the Scheduling Assistant, press the purple New Meeting button located in the top right-hand corner. From here, you can title your meeting, add required attendees, change the date and time of the meeting, schedule the meeting as a regular occurrence or series, add a specific Teams channel, add a location, or set the meeting to be online only, as well as adding a brief meeting synopsis and attaching an agenda. You can also set who can bypass the lobby too. To access the Scheduling Assistant tool, press the Scheduling Assistant button beside details in the header of the new meeting window. This will bring you to the Scheduling Assistant. From here, you can add attendees to your meeting and assess their calendars to make sure they can attend your meeting. You can make them required or optional. You can also change the date, time and location from here too. Once you're happy your meeting fits your attendee schedule, hit the purple send button on the right hand side and that meeting will be sent.